Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to download Discord on Mac. Firstly, open any web browser and go to discord.com. Click login on the top right corner, then click register at the bottom to register a new account. Enter your email, username, password, and date of birth. You can also just sign in using a passkey if needed. Now from the homepage, click download in the top menu. Then click download for Mac. Click allow when asked to confirm the download, and once downloaded, open your downloads folder and double-click the Discord DMG file. When the new window appears, drag the Discord icon into the Applications folder. Open Finder, Applications, then double-click on Discord. If prompted with any security message, just click Open to confirm. Discord will update itself. This may take a minute or two. When prompted, click Open System Settings to manage permissions. Toggle the switch next to Discord to allow microphone or access, and then close the system settings once done. Now open Discord, log in using your account credentials or register, and you can also use a passkey. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.